Tried the Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator Foundation. My skin is super dry right now, so we need a little moisture, so let's get into it. We're gonna start off, of course, with a little Fenty Beauty Cream Contour in Macchiato 03. How has everybody been? I have been crazy busy with my new job, and it is turned into from my dream job into kind of a nightmare. I have not been paid properly in about 4 months. I've gotten a little bit here and there, but I'm doing like two full-time jobs and not really getting paid, which is crazy. Okay, let's go ahead and get this on the face. I got shade light medium, which might be a little too light for me. My dry ass hands. It's a very like light liquidy formula, but it seems like it still has some coverage to it. Blend that contour together. It's definitely hydrating and it definitely has a little bit of coverage, but it's like clinging to all my dry patches. So it is not as hydrating as they're claiming to be. I mean, I'll give it that my skin is awful right now. It's super dry, but I was hoping that it would help. This might be good if you just wanted like light coverage and you didn't have dry skin. It's not like blending great for me. Now let's do the tests and wipe off half of it and see what kind of coverage we got. Okay, so this is the side that I wiped off. So a little bit of coverage. I don't think it's for me, but it could be for you.